Welcome to Microgas project. Our goal is to develop two R-Shiny apps for stream ecologists, making data analysis process easier and more efficient. First, the SourceLog app is designed for sodium chloride tracer studies. You can upload data, perform quality assurance, quality control, and carry out calculations. Next, the hydrogas app. It displays various variables you upload. You can also perform QA/QC, download melted data, and view DO and hypoxia metrics. Plus, we've also tried methods for missing data imputations.
So this is our SaltSlug app, which allows you to upload multiple CSVs at once. Now, when you upload these CSVs, you're then going to be able to trim the data down to relevant sections and get rid of bad data as shown over here. Afterwards, you're going to have a QA/QC process in which you're going to be able to flag data as bad or also interesting and questionable. After that, you're going to be able to go to this calculate page in which you're going to be able to calculate various values based on the data. So you can enter the background conductivity and the amount of salt you put in the stream, which will give you values such as discharge, which is the amount of water going across a cross-section of stream at any one point of time. And you'll also be able to get time to have height, which is a variable that is closely related to velocity.
This is our HydroGas app. In it, you can upload files one at a time, and it will display a guess for the site name, station name, and any variable that is in the file. Once you hit Add Dataset, you move on to the QA/QC page. On the QA/QC page, you can select a site and station, as well as a date range to view or calculate metrics for. You can flag points as questionable, interesting, or bad, as you can see I'm doing here. And then you can go to the summary page, and it will show you summary statistics. Once you're done with that, you can save files to Google Drive, which is how the Bernhardt Lab stores their raw and processed files. On the View page, you can view any of the processed files from the Google Drive.
The DO data and metrics page handles specifically dissolved oxygen concentration data. You can choose from dates that have been uploaded to see a specific time frame and the metrics just from that time frame, including the probability of hypoxia at a certain point within that time. And then you can view the full range of data that's been uploaded for a specific station, as well as in hypoxia metrics, more specific probabilities of hypoxia depending on whether or not it's daytime or nighttime, and then the ratio of those two. And then researchers can also change this hypoxia threshold since it varies by stream reach.
Due to equipment issues, some data such as dissolved oxygen concentration will not be recorded correctly sometimes, and we call them missing data. We test different models to fill the values of this missing data, such as regression, k-nearest neighboring or KNN, and mean value imputation methods. And the results were all pretty good. And we found that the time of the day and the seasonality were the most important predictors of dissolved oxygen.
We hope that these apps will help researchers within the Bernhardt Lab streamline their data analysis and advance their understanding of stream reaches within Durham and others in the future, and answer in the long run how morphology and stream chemistry affect greenhouse gas emissions from rivers.